Emergencies don't wait. Every second counts. But what if you could respond in seconds? Meet VOTIX DFR. Your best drone as first responder solution. Response time can define a destiny. With VOTIX DFR, drones arrive first, enhance decision-making, cut costs, and protect lives. With VOTIX DFR you can have the most powerful, faster, and cost-efficient solution for emergency response. Save time, reduce costs, integrate, and analyze reliable data in real time. Drones arrive on the scene 66% of the time faster and have already saved more than 1,000 lives in 2023.
VOTIX is a company trying to become the common hardware-agnostic operating system for drone operations worldwide.
Imagine the impact in search and rescue, traffic management, or even natural disasters. Enhance your real-time decision-making process with VOTIX Visual Analytics with AI. Take your drone capabilities benefits to a higher level. With VOTIX's DFR, support is robust, immediate, and life-changing. The future of emergency response is now. Ready to transform your operations? Contact us today.